pronunciation sound refers to the actual sound produced when a word or letter is spoken. Here is how it sounds.
A says A, as in apple. B says B, as in ball. C says K, as in cat. D says D, as in dog. E says as in egg. F says F, as in fan. G says G, as in gun. H says H, as in hen. I says I, as in ink. J says J, as in jug. K says K, as in king. L says L, as in lion. M says M, as in mug. N says N, as in nose. O says Ah, as in ox. P says P, as in pen. Q says Qu, as in queen. R says as in run. S says S, as in sun. T says T, as in 10. U says as in umbrella. V says V, as in van. W says W, as in wall. X says X, as in box. Y says Y, as in yellow. And finally, the Z says Z, as in zebra.
Now you're ready to practice. Since you're dedicated to mastering pronunciation, I'm confident you'll follow the usual language learning process: speaking, observing, listening, and writing. I suggest jotting down the table in your neatly noted notebook for quick reference. Thanks again for watching.